Okay, so this is going to be a short like a tutorial to snapping on um, cosmetics onto models. When the cosmetic does not exist, then well, you have to manually add it. So 1 second. So spawn in the model, place them down with while holding shift. That will just make them stick to the ground. So we've got a medic here, and I want to add like a model, like a cosmetic that doesn't exist. So we'll go for like something like 2016. As well after like what you call it, end of the line. So we'll take the toadstool topper for the medic. So we've got the cosmetic. Also, if you like want to just take that sort of cosmetic itself, you go and you open up in the animation sets. You open up the model. You got body, and it's usually hip head or bip head. So that allows you to move like the actual model itself. Good little thing to know if you're just using like decoration or something else. But that's the wrong button. Meant to, but whatever. So this model is manually added. So it doesn't have the, it's not in the add TF item over here. So what we do is to grab the medic model in animation set and drag that onto the cosmetic. So that's it linked now, like they're linked together. And to have it move onto the medic's head, you go over to this little bit here, which like the procedurals. So you've got like default, 0, half, 1. Well, what you want here is 0. So click on 0 and drag it all the way full. That allows you to snap the cosmetic onto the model, and it will fit perfectly. As you can see, the model does not clip anywhere. Or at least not clip as by the hat standards. So just doing that simple little thing automatically shifts the cosmetic onto the model, and it will just stick there. And if you want to move it anywhere, you have to click on the locks to unlock it, and then you can start moving it again. But that's a simple, quick-ish tutorial on how to snap cosmetics onto the models.